We have arrived in Linz. And Linz, Austria, is the third largest city in Austria. Of course, everyone knows Vienna is number one. But what's number two? We were there last year. One of our favorite cities in the whole world is, oh, look at this. The number two city in all of Austria. Oh, there's so much to see here. I'm getting distracted. The number two city in Austria. Have you figured it out yet? Our favorite city possibly in the world is Salzburg, the home of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Here, look at this. This is probably the icon symbol of Linz, this statue right here. Lots of cafes to pick from here. This place is called the Hauptplatz, which is like the, I guess that translates to something like the main plaza. There you go. And, where's my wife? She's here somewhere. I am lost. Oh, there she is. We picked this little place here. It is so Austrian. Did you order?
Yes.
What did you get?
We got some cheeseburger and a pommes frites.
What is a pommes frites?
French fries. Pommes.
It's so Austrian. Our first meal in Linz. But look, at my chair on the plaza here, I'm looking at the most beautiful view in the entire city of Linz. Right there, it's the cathedral. And we will be going there as soon as we eat our big cheeseburger.
Burger. We're eating American food. We're in Austria.
And we pick our restaurant by looking at what food is on people's tables. You can't look at the menus, you look at what are people eating. And there's someone eating a cheeseburger here, and it was like this thick. It was huge. So I said, oh, that's the place for us. Let's get the cheeseburger as our first Linz meal. Okay, but look at my view. I'm really enjoying myself here. Okay, we are so excited because now we are going to eat
the cheeseburger.
And what a cheeseburger it is. Look at this. It's enormous. Look at that. Can you even pick it up? Pick it up.
You're gonna eat it. This is too big.
It's a monster.
Bigger than a Big Mac.
The Austrians like their burgers big. No, come on. You gotta bite it.
Let me see. I'm supposed to bite it.
That's not easy, huh? And here's the pommes frites. And if you're wondering how to spell it, here it is, because it's the pommes frites sauce, which is kind of like a mayonnaise. And this is interesting. Heinz is an American company, of course, but they actually have a fry sauce, pommes frites sauce, which is a cousin of mayonnaise. And it's all for the American French fries. Oh, we're so happy. And did I tell you? This, without any question, is the number one view you can possibly have in Linz, Austria. I am sitting here looking at it.